Can everyone turn on their videos so that I can see some newcomers here? I would like to welcome them. I would like to introduce them. Yes, Avani. Very nice.
Mataji, you're in a new house, right? House.
I know, yes. Actually, I'm at someone else's house. Yes, I'm taking class from there.
Whose house are you in?
Karima has come to her friend's house for a play date. So I'm taking class from there. So let everybody join. And once everybody join, we will welcome some new friends here. And I'm so excited to see
Mataji, what are we going to do today?
Give me 1 minute, Avani. So today we are starting a new chapter. I just sent the printout list.
Candy is there, Anna.
Wait, you don't have the printout? Wait, Mataji, I'm gonna quickly go get my Bhagavad Gita.
Okay, wait. 1 minute.
My devotee friends home.
Okay, come on, sit down. Okay, so welcome everybody. I see everybody has joined, and let's welcome Pranav and Harini and Shyam. They are newcomers in the class, and we are very, very happy to have you. So let me spotlight. Let me spotlight Pranav and Harini. Can everybody welcome Pranav, Harini, and Shyam by saying 3 times Hari Bol?
Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol!
Hari Bol!
Haribo.
So, Pranav and Harini wants to give us some introduction. Harini?
Thank you.
First, Harini. I want to hear from Harini. Harini?
Yes, Mataji. My name is Harini and I am 9 years old. I am in 4th grade and my favorite color is yellow.
Nice. Happy to have you, Vita. Pranav?
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, Mataji, and my name is Pranav, and my age is 6. And my favorite color is yellow, red, and blue.
Nice. Happy to know that, Vita. Welcome to the class. Shyam?
Hare Krishna Mataji. My name is Sham. I'm from New Jersey. I'm 11 years old and I'm moving to 6th grade.
Wonderful. So happy to have you, Pranav. I'm not Pranav, sorry, Shyam. So all of you, I know you all are joining for the first time today.
Mataji,
yes, 1 minute, beta.
my brother is going to 7th grade.
Nice. Wow. So if the newcomers have any doubts, please feel free to ask, okay? We have a very interactive, very loving, very caring, this wonderful Bhagavad Gita Shloka group. And everybody is welcome to give their opinions and talk to me and share certain things, you know, share your artwork and all that too with me and with all your friends. So we are very, very happy to have you. And please feel comfortable, okay? And trust me, I'm not very strict like school teachers, okay? I'm very, very lenient, okay? Okay, so let's start. Can you make it bigger, like all gallery view? Okay, everybody, let's start the Om Agyan Timirandasya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Padantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Prapada Kamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavamscha Shri Radha
Radha Krishna
कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचना गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वंशकल्पातरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय।
गुरुदेव की जय। All little Vaishnav children ki jai. So we have another newcomer today. We have a beautiful Garima's little beautiful friend. Her name is Lesha. So Lesha, we are very, very happy to have you, beta. Can everybody welcome by saying 3 times Hari Bol to Lesha? Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Hari Bol. So Lesha wants to introduce herself quickly. Lesha, do you want to introduce yourself? Do you want to introduce yourself, beta?
Okay.
You can say something for yourself.
Madhuri, can you see her?
Yes, I can hear.
How old are you?
Can I see?
You worship Krishna.
Yes. So Lesha, I see you have a friend also. Yes. So Lesha, how old are you, beta?
7. I'm almost 8.
You're almost 8. Wow, wonderful. And what is your hobby? What do you like?
What?
What do you like to do?
Actually, sometimes I like to play with my friends. I like to play outside when it's like 7 or 6 o'clock.
Very nice.
And
Very nice.
I like to play with my friends if they come to my house circle. And
Very
I
good.
like when my special guests come. And I like
Very
art
good,
the most.
Lesha. Very good. So we welcome you wholeheartedly in our class, and today, fortunately, coincidentally, we are starting new chapter today, chapter number 13. So let's start our chapter number 13. Okay. I am sure nobody has their printouts ready yet.
Wait.
Because I just sent the printouts. So if you all don't have printout, please open your Bhagavad Gita, and hopefully by tomorrow your parents can print out the printouts. Yes, Sanvi has it, Lesha has it. I know some other kids, Soumya has it. So yes, but those who don't have it, please get it by tomorrow. I just sent it in the group. So meantime,
Mataji, my mom's printing it out.
Wonderful. Very good. Very good.
What chapter
Let's start
are we
chapter
doing?
Chapter number 13, Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
Can everybody open it quickly? 13. 13. Yes.
13, okay.
13. Yes.
30.
No, you can sit.
8.
Garima. Sit here, right? Okay. So can everybody speak the name of the chapter? Can everybody tell me the name of the chapter?
Nature, the enjoyer, and consciousness. Nature, the enjoyer, and consciousness.
I want everybody to tell me the name of the chapter. Can everybody unmute and speak?
Nature, the enjoyer, and consciousness.
Consciousness. Yes, nature, the enjoyer, and consciousness. So, in this chapter, okay, now let's everybody mute now for some time to yourself. Can everybody mute just for a few minutes? Then we'll talk to each other again, okay? We'll be back on unmute, okay? Everybody mute. Thank you. You all are amazing. Garima. So, let's see. Now, this chapter is a very, very interesting chapter. We're going to learn different new things in this chapter. And you all will be amazed, you know. So, let's see how the chapter starts. And as the chapter progresses, we will understand what is the meaning of the name of this chapter. Do you all understand? But it will take you a little time. Okay. So don't feel that, oh, we don't even know the meaning of the chapter. So you'll understand as we understand. So let's see first verse. Arjuna vacha prakritim purusham chaiva kshetram shretyagmevacha etadveditum ichchami dhyanam gyeyam cha keshava. Everybody pay attention, okay? Second, Shri Bhagavan Vacha idam shariram kaunteya kshetram ityabhidhiyate etad yo veti tam prahuhu kshetragya iti tadvidah. Now, let's start. Who is speaking first? Arjuna. Arjuna Uvacha, right? Uvacha means speaking. Yes, Arjuna Uvacha. Now, what is Arjuna saying? In the first verse, actually, Prahlad, Raghav, pay attention here. We'll count each other's teeth later. Okay, you know, when I was little, my mommy told me that I used to go in the neighborhood and I used to count the cat's teeth. I used to force her to open her mouth and I used to count her teeth. So Prahlad is doing same thing to Raghav, counting his teeth.
And the cat
Okay.
will bite.
And then cat used to run away just by looking at me. So let's count each other's teeth later. Okay, let's pay attention here. So
What chapter is this?
chapter 13.
What verse
Chapter
is this?
13. Chapter 13.
What verse?
Can I welcome you? I saw Sai Vedas. Can I welcome the child? Is it okay if he or she turns on the
Kahoot. You know the Kahoot? I know, but he did not play. The Kahoot, I don't know.
where did he go? Where is Sai Vedas? Yes, Sai Veda. I have never seen you. So would you mind if we welcome you, beta? How old are you and what's your name?
My name is Sai Vedas and I'm 13 years old.
Oh, thank you. Welcome to the class, dear. Happy to have you. Everybody, please welcome him. Haribo.
Haribol, Haribol,
Welcome, beta. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
What
beta.
verse is this, by the way?
We are on chapter 13.
What verse?
No, yes. We have chapter 13, verse 1. Okay, dear? Okay, so in verse 1, actually, Arjuna is asking 6 questions to Krishna. Let's see what are those 6 questions. Arjuna said, oh, my dear Krishna, I want to know certain things. Can you please help me? Now, you see, the chapter number 13 to 18 is actually Jnana Yoga chapters. It talks about knowledge, right? 7 to 12 is actually Bhakti Yoga, but this is Jnana Yoga. So now Arjuna is asking questions. Krishna, I want to know, what is this Prakriti? Prakriti means nature, material nature. What is Purusha? Who is the enjoyer? What is the field? What is the knower of the field? And what is the knowledge? And what should be knowable? What should be knowable? What we have to know? Sai Veda, the class ends around 5:40 usually, but we might go a little 5-7 minutes here and there today because there were a lot of newcomers today. So usually it ends at 5:40, dear. Okay, dear? Yeah, 5:40, 5:45. Yes.
Okay, 5:45.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes 5:40, sometimes 5:35. Depends on the depth of the verses. So now you all will think, Mataji, I don't know what is Prakriti, what is enjoyer, what is field. We will understand all this. Krishna will explain all this. So how many questions Arjuna is asking Krishna? How many questions? 6. How many questions? Question in first verse. I'll repeat again. What is Prakriti?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, dear Bala Vrinda, welcome. Happy to have you. So, what is Prakriti? What is Purusha? What is the field? What is the knower of the field? What is knowledge? And what are we supposed to know? What is the object of knowledge? Now Krishna, did Arjuna ask a question? Yes. Now Krishna is going to reply. So Krishna says, Bhagavanu Vacha. What does Krishna replies? Krishna says, this body, O son of Kunti, is called the field. And one who knows this body is called the knower of the field. Okay. Do you all know, have you all been to the strawberry picking?
Yes.
Or,
Yes.
I'll take you.
Yes.
Yes. Right.
Me and Tarani went together.
Yes. or apple picking.
Me and Krishna went
Yes.
together.
Or have you
Me
been
and
to a
Tarani
farm?
went strawberry picking together last month.
Okay, good job. So, have you all seen the farm, right? Don't touch it.
Yeah.
Yes. So you see that farm, what do we call? Field. Do we call it a field?
Yes.
Yes. Now, who is the farmer? Because farmer, if we ask farmer, do you know where's your apple trees? Or do you know where is your strawberry tree? Do you know where's your blueberry tree? Does farmer knows everything? Or he's
Yes.
just dumbfounded? I don't know anything. No, he knows everything, right? Yes. So similarly, it will break. So similarly, the farm is the field. And who is the knower of the field? Tell me all. Who is the
The farmer.
Yes.
The farmer.
You all are so smart. Wow. Similarly, you know, our body, let's discuss a little bit about something interesting about our body. Our body is actually the field. It is actually the field. Then who is the knower of this field?
The farmer.
The farmers. And now who is the farmer in our body? I'm thinking.
Krishna.
Is there a farmer in the body?
Krishna.
We are
Krishna is there. Yes,
No.
yes. Krishna is there. Yes, but before Krishna, there is somebody else also. Actually, there are two. So I'll tell you all. Yes. So I'll tell you all something. Yes, yes, of course.
Jesus.
Okay, wait. Let me tell you all something. Now you all said that farmer, right? Farmer is the knower of the field. But do you all think in Georgia or maybe in a particular place, there are a couple of farms, right?
Yes.
And who knows all the farms? Does one farmer knows all the farms? No.
No.
But the king of that state, right? The king or governor or the head of the state would know all the farms. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, our body is field. What is it? Field. And in Sanskrit, we call it Kshetra. What do we call?
Kshetra.
Kshetra. Prabhuji is working. Chup. Kshetra. And the soul. The soul is knower of this body. Who is the knower of this body?
The soul.
The soul.
The soul.
The soul is called as Kshetragya. What is the soul called as?
Kshetra.
Kshetragya. But again, who knows our soul and our body? Who knows our soul and the body? Tell me all.
Krishna.
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 Krishna is also Kshetragya. But Krishna knows all the bodies, right? Does Krishna see? Do you all know your body? Yes or no?
Yes.
Who wants to eat pizza tonight? Who wants to eat pizza tonight? Me too.
Mataji, I am.
Yes. So do you all know? You all know what is your desire tonight, right? Yes or no? Yes. So you all, so your soul, right? Your soul is who? Kshetragya. But does Krishna know what you want or no?
Yes. Yes.
Krishna is also Kshetragya.
Yes.
Now Krishna knows what Avni wants. But does Krishna knows what Shyam wants? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yes. Does Krishna knows what Pranav and Harini wants?
Yes.
Krishna knows what Sanavi and Mathili and all the children want here?
Yes.
Yes. So Krishna is knower of all the bodies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So Krishna is also Kshetragya. Now in this paragraph, actually, Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully here. Take it. Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully that according to our desires, we get a body, right? Suppose, let's take an example. I go to swimming pool. You know, every single day, I want to go swimming pool at least 8 to 9 hours. Okay, and I want to swim all the time. I want to swim. So I just want to become like water, something related to water. I just love it so much. So what is my desire? My desire is all the time to be in water. Yes or no?
Yes.
Every single day, right? So what happens?
Yeah.
Krishna says, oh my goodness, this Mataji, no, she loves swimming pool so much that every single day she wants to go to swimming pool. And 6-7 hours she spent. So if she likes water so much, so Krishna will say, okay, no problem. Next time, Mataji, you become the fish. So I become a pretty fish. Right? Yes or no? Right? So So the problem is we get this body according to our desires, according to Garima, according to our intensity of desires. Understand? But the soul is same. Yes or no? Does the soul changes?
No.
Right? Soul keep changing the body. And yes, and the soul thinks this is me. This is me. This body is mine. This body is temporarily only for a small time, hours. But what happens after some time? After some time, at the time of death, the soul leaves the body and goes to another body depending on their desires and karma. Right? So this is what Srila Prabhupada, we all think, I'm a man. I'm happy. Yes, Giridhari, yes.
Mataji, I was saying that the soul is like kind of like.
Yes. So
No, you're the one who told me to do it. The body is the swimming pool, and also it travels to another.
yes.
To make everything right now.
I could not understand properly, but in the end, we can sit and discuss a little bit more about it. But my point is here.
Oh my
Do
gosh!
you all- Okay.
Wash your
Who
brush.
is making so much noise? There's a lot of background noise from someone's house. Can you please mute all of you right now for a few minutes? Thank you.
I can mute.
Thank you. So, do you all remember? Were you all baby one time in your mommy's hands? Yes. Do you have the same body right now?
No.
Where did your body go?
No.
Where did your body go? Oh, you all grew up, right? Now you all will, after 4 years, you'll all grow up more and become more bigger. Would you have same body what you have today?
No.
Our body keep changing, right? But does our soul changes?
No.
Right? The soul inside changes? No. So the soul is actually, who is the soul? Kshetragya. And what is the body? Kshetra. Did you all get it?
No.
Yes.
Did you all get it? So our body is like farm, right? So what is farm? Farm is called as Kshetra. And the soul is, who is the knower of this body? Who is the farmer? The soul. So soul is called as Kshetragya.
So what is Kshetra?
Kshetra is the body. Okay, Kshetra is the body. So this is the whole verse number 1 and verse number 2. So let's go quickly for our recitation, okay? Everybody ready?
Yes.
Yes. Now before that. Yes, Giridhari. Giridhari.
I was saying that like in Kurukshetra,
Yes.
like the you.
Yes, Kshetra. Yes, Kshetra field. Yes, Dharma Kshetra, Kurukshetra.
The battlefield.
So that's a war field. That's a different field. Yes, that is also field, but that's Dharma Kshetra. It's a field of religion, and Kurukshetra means it's a place where the war was going to happen. Right?
Mataji, I got my printout.
Perfect, Avni. Very nice. So let's quickly go for our recitation. Everybody unmute, and please no backgrounds in the back. No backgrounds, please. Thank you. Arjuna Vacha. So Harini, Pranav. 1 minute, Avani. Pranav, Harini, Shyam, Sai Veda, and Lesha. When we are doing verses, please follow after me, okay? Please do not be quiet. This is a very, very fun class, okay?
Noisy class.
So let's start. Arjuna Vacha. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva. Prakritim Prakritim Purusham Chaiva
प्रकृतिं पुरुषं चैव
प्रकृतिं पुरुषं चैव
पुरुषं चैव
Aditya, Varun, Monish, Tarini, please unmute beta. Very good. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva.
Prakritim purusham chaiva.
Kshetram.
क्षेत्रं
Kshetram Evacha. So for newcomers, J and N together, some people pronounce this as gna, some people pronounce as gear. I pronounce it gear, but if you are used to saying gna, it's perfectly fine with me, okay? Kshetram kshetragyam cha.
क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रमेव च
क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञमेव च क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञमेव च क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञमेव च एतत् एतद् एतद् वेदितुम् एतद् वेदितुम् इच्छामि एतद् वेदितुम् इच्छामि एतद् वेदितुम् इच्छामि एतद् वेदितुम् इच्छामि So I am Harini. Can you tell me what is the last I said just now? I want to hear nicely from you. Etad. Yes, very good. I want to hear 1 minute, everybody. I want to hear Harini because she is new and I've never heard her cute voice, sweet voice. So I want to hear Harini.
एतद् वेदितुम् इच्छामि
Yes, very good, Harini. That's how I want to hear you. Can you please do that? Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you. Love you, beta. Etad veditum ichhami. Etad veditum ichhami. Jnanam jneyam cha keshava. 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 Nesha, I can hear you nicely. Very good, beta. Jnanam jneyam cha keshava. Everybody got this verse, right? Did newcomers get it? Did newcomers get it?
Yes, Mataji.
Please feel comfortable to ask if you don't get it, okay? Okay. Arjuna Vacha. Purusham chaiva. Kshetram kshetragyameva cha. Etad veditum ichhami. ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं च केशव. Very good. I see Lesha is also crying. Trying, not crying. Sorry. I see certain videos off. You know, when you all turn off your videos, I feel like I should also turn off my videos and I should become a boring Mataji. Okay. So everybody turn on their video. Come on. Yes, Tarini. Beautiful to see you. Everybody should show their beautiful faces on the screen. Okay. Okay. Arjuna Vacha. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva. Kshetrajameva cha. Etadveditumicchami. Jnanam jneyam cha Keshava. Acha. What's number 2? Everybody. Shri Bhagavan Vacha. Idam shariram Kaunteya.
Shariram Kaunteya.
Shariram Kaunteya. Idam shariram Kaunteya. Idam shariram Kaunteya. Shyam, I want to hear you. Can you speak what I just said? Say. Good. Very good, beta. Good job. Idam shariram Kaunteya. Kshetram. Okay, now I'm going to join last 2 words. Okay, everybody pay attention. Okay, especially older kids would know better. When you join Y and A, it becomes year, right? Ityabhidhiyate. I'm joining 2. Okay, Ityabhidhiyate. 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 Kshetram ityabhidhiyate. Kshetram ityabhidhiyate. Etad yo veti. Etad yo veti. Etad yo veti. Etad yo veti. Prahu. Kshetrajya iti tadvidah. Very good, Lesha. Very good, beta. Kshetrajya iti tadvidah. Arun, I cannot hear you, beta, loudly. Kshetrajya iti tadvidah. Very good. Shri Bhagavan Vacha. Idam shariram Kaunteya. Tam ityabhidhiyate. Etad yo veti tam prahuhu. Kshetragya iti tadvidah. Very good. You all got it? Did you all get it?
Yes.
Yes.
So can we all go quickly recitation? Yes?
Okay.
Yes. So for you, and then at the end of the class, I'm going to discuss with you all one activity coming up on Friday. Okay, not Thursday, Friday. So everybody, listen, the newcomer especially. When I say 1, 2, 3, everybody repeat the shlokas with me, not follow after me. Did the newcomers get it? With me, not after me. We're going to recite only 5 times. That's all. Okay, everybody ready? Yes. I got Garuda's eyes. I got Garuda's eyes right now. I'm watching everybody who is not speaking. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Arjuna
Purusham Chaiva
Good job. 1, 2, 3.
Arjuna Purusham Chaiva Samshekriyameva
Good, Avani. Good. All the kids are doing wonderful. Aditya, Varun, Krishna, please unmute. Balavrinda, come on, speak with me. 1, 2, 3. Arjuna, I can hear Pranav. Is Pranav? Yes.
Mataji, I'm seeing Veda base, right? So I can't unmute myself.
Okay, no problem, Mita. Okay, you can mute. Yes. Pranav is speaking or no? Pranav, are you enjoying class?
Yes.
Yes. Speak, okay? You also speak with your sister, okay? Last time, okay? 1, 2, 3. Loudly.
Purusham
Good job, all of you. Next verse, everybody. I got Brahma's eyes right now. Brahma is looking from spiritual world. Not spiritual world, Brahma Loka. Sorry. He's looking down. Is everybody reciting or not? 1, 2, 3. Shri Bhagavan
Shariram
One, two, three. One, two, three. Matthew, come on. One, two, three. Shri For this particular chapter, I have not decided the dessert this time. But by tomorrow, I'm going to think what will be our dessert for this class. Okay, and maybe I'll come up with some good plan. But I want all of you to speak loudly last time. Then only I'll plan the dessert. Otherwise, no. 1, 2, 3. Everybody give me a high five. You all did amazing. Without breaking their laptops. Yay! Good job, all of you. So you, no. I have to announce activity. So you all did amazing, you know. Krishna must be so happy that all little cutie pies are sitting and speaking such a wonderful shlokas. Was it easy or was it too hard? I know.
It was easy.
So, you know, today I did not discuss the meaning of these verses, not the meaning like, you know, each and every Sanskrit separately, because I want to discuss more about it tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Now, newcomers, Sham, Pranav, Harini, Lesha. I know you all were not there with me in the last chapter, Sai Veda. So you all are still free to do activity with us. Okay. But this, the older kids, all my older kids, right? All my cutie pies, listen. So we are going to have some nice activity on Friday, and we need a lot of ingredients for that. Okay, lot of lists. You all have to make sure that you work hard. Okay. You all know we get very much softly better. So you all know we get a big chart paper. Do you all have seen the chart paper? Chart paper, big one.
Yes.
It's almost this big.
Yeah.
Yes, Natalie has seen. So ask your mommy and daddy to get some chart paper, and I want you all to come with your some markers, coloring pens. Can everybody mute? Wait. Can everybody mute so that I can tell you all activity and then we all can log out? Okay.
So,
Can we all mute? Thank you.
Madhuri, what is it?
Yeah, ma'am. What?
What is it? What is the paper called again?
Chart paper, like, you know, not the construction paper, but you know, we get a big sheet at Walmart. It's almost like a rolled one. You buy it, right?
Oh yeah, I
Buy
have.
the roll.
Yeah.
Yes, like it's not a construction paper. Just hear me. Don't ask me any questions. Wait, just hear me for 2 minutes, okay? Number one, you all have to send your cute recordings today for verse 1 and 2. Is everybody going to send it? Yes.
Yes.
And before you all go to the chocolate land, ice cream land, and cupcake lands at night, everybody's going to repeat these 2 shloka for 5 times tonight.
Yes. Yes.
Good job. Okay, now I want to talk to you quickly. Do you all remember the verses 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in chapter 17? It talks about
Yes.
food, charity, austerity, and penance,
Yes.
sacrifice.
Yes.
So I want you all to go on the internet, type all different kind of fruits, foods in mode of goodness, mode of passion, mode of ignorance. Get the printouts, colored printouts, cut out all those fruits. Okay, I give you one example. Mode of goodness food is watermelon. Go on internet, or if you have a magazine, cut out those fruits and keep it ready. Then mode of passion is what? Onion, garlic, right? Pungent foods. Mode of ignorance, you all know all this, right? I want you all to keep some cutouts ready for Friday. You all can have even the black and white cutouts, that's fine, okay? And then you can color it. Second part, if you go on internet and just type Yagya, you'll have a lot of different pictures, right? I want 3 cutouts of Yagya pictures, okay? I want a picture of Hiranyakashipu doing austerity, okay? And I want you all to come up with some Ziploc bags, and you can have some rice, dal, dry, like raw, not the cooked, okay? Raw dal, rice, and all those in the Ziploc bags, okay? Please collect certain items for the, everybody please mute for 5 minutes. Please collect the items for your project, which will be like all these kind of foods, Yagya pictures, charity, you can have pictures of fake money.
Mataji.
No fake money. Wait, no questions. Wait, Shamagori.
Mataji.
No
Can you
questions
send
yet. Shamagori,
the
wait.
list in the WhatsApp?
I'll try to send, but you all please pay attention right now what I'm speaking, okay? Because you all can understand better instead of reading in the WhatsApp. I will send the list. You all can have fake money printouts, you know, for charity. Austerity, you can have different people doing austerity. Okay, so I want you all to have those cutouts ready on Friday. And please tell your mommy and daddies to buy a big roll of chart paper, like sheet paper. What do you call? What do you call? Is there a name? Like chart paper only? Yeah, you get project paper only, big one. You get this big, like this big. You know, you get in a roll. And get your some colored papers and some decorative items ready, like some gemstones, some decorative things in the house, or some ribbons or something, you know, and we'll make a nice project on Friday. Okay, is everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
So three pictures of yagya. Okay, some pictures of cutouts of money, fake money, like dollar bills, right? And some people performing austerities, like Hiranyakashipu and other people doing some tapasya. Okay, like he's standing in the forest and doing some meditation or something like that. And different kind of food pictures. So those foods have to be in the mode of goodness, passion, and ignorance. All three. Did you all get it?
Mataji,
Yes.
I have a question. Do we need construction paper for the project?
No, not construction paper, because they're very small, just this little. I don't want those. No, I want you all to go on internet, research, and keep all the cutouts ready. Keep all the cutouts ready, because that day you will definitely need a glue, and we're going to stick all the cutouts. Okay, all the cutouts. So, like suppose you have orange, apple pictures and strawberry pictures, right? So we'll have to stick all that. Okay?
Can
Yes.
we also draw them if we don't have them?
Yes, you can draw, but I don't prefer drawing. I prefer you all to get all the pictures. You
Mataji,
get the charts in the Michaels also. Yes, you just go on the internet, Avani, and print it out, and then you can color them and then cut it out.
Okay.
Okay, if you type orange, 1 minute, beta. Suppose you type orange, you print out the picture of orange, and if it's not colored, it's black and white, you just color orange color. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, black and white is also okay. Then later on you can color. Yes, Soumya. Soumya, tell me, beta.
Mataji, so we need pictures of like the foods in
Different kinds, all three modes of food. Discuss with your parents, please. We have discussed this a lot in detail. 3 different modes of food. Okay, people performing austerities, people like the fake money, different pictures like dollar bills, right, on the internet. And also what was the 4th thing? Penance.
Decorative, right?
No, sacrifice, yagya. Yeah, 3 cutouts of yagya. Okay, so I'll see you all tomorrow, and I'll miss you by then.
Mataji,
So, yes, 1 minute. Thank you all so much for joining, and I'll post the link. I mean, post the
Bye,
list.
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Bye. Love you all. Hare Krishna.
Mataji. Mataji, and this is this big paper than this.
Yes.
actually,
Yeah, Grisha.
could you send this to our mom and dad?
What?
Could you send the activity of Friday
Yes,
to our mom
I'll
and
send it.
dad?
I'll send it in the group. Tell your mommy to check it. Okay. By tonight, I'll send it. Okay. Love you, bacha. Take care.
Bye.